After a long, dry Bay Area summer, the first big winter storm can feel like a relief. But for your trees, it's a moment of truth. A heavy branch that snaps in the wind didn't just become weak overnight. The problem likely started months before, rooted in a simple but crucial fact. Trees live on a schedule. They have seasons of intense growth and seasons of quiet dormancy. Pruning a tree is a form of controlled stress, and when you apply that stress, matters immensely. A cut made in winter, during dormancy, helps build a strong, lasting structure, but that same cut in summer can sap a tree's energy or open a wound that invites disease when the tree is most vulnerable. It's not one size fits all either. Pruning an oak tree at the wrong time of year can be a fatal mistake, while precise timing for a fruit tree can mean the difference between a small yield and a bountiful one. This knowledge transforms tree care from a reactive chore into a proactive strategy. It's about addressing a weak branch in the calm of September to prevent a dangerous emergency in the chaos of a January storm. It's about ensuring the beautiful mature trees that add so much value to your property are an asset, not a liability. Our company was built on this science. With a family legacy of arboriculture in the Bay Area stretching back generations, we understand the unique cycles of our local landscape. We don't just trim branches. We partner with you to create a year-round health plan for your trees. To understand what your property needs right now and to prepare for the seasons ahead, visit sanjosetreemaintenance.com and schedule a consultation with one of our certified arborists.